Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry I was absent for a while. I took some time off to focus on my family and my mental health. After having baby girl, I was experiencing really bad postpartum anxiety, and this time off really helped me to just feel better. And I am so excited to be back. In this next video, I'm going to be sharing 4 quick and simple Valentine's DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
Save me. Won't you save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left.
For the first DIY, I'm going to be outlining this galvanized mason jar onto this treat sack that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting it out so I could be able to apply it onto the mason jar with some Mod Podge.
Wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save me? Won't you save me? Won't you save me? Oh, save me, save me.
I'm using a dark walnut to stain this 12-inch wooden sign.
Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong.
Next step, I just hot glued the mason jar onto the center of the wooden sign. I'm also going to add this XOXO. Now to give it some detail, I'm going to be adding some lamb ears that I got from Walmart and a simple bow.
Won't you save me?
Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just.
For the second DIY, I'm putting apart this envelope that I got at the Dollar Tree, and it came with a paper heart that says follow your heart, and I put that aside since I'm going to be using it for the third DIY, and I'm just gonna start off by painting this red and white checkers part of the envelope with some white chalk paint.
What you like to do? What you like to do? What you like to? What you like to do? We shouldn't care about anyone.
Now, once I made sure that the chalk paint was dry, I'm going to replace this part of the envelope with some hot glue.
Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
And now I'm just going to fill it up with some lamb ears, a gnome, and 2 hearts that I got at Walmart for 98 cents.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt. But I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you.
For the third DIY, I'm going to be using the paper heart that was from the envelope, and I'm going to be filling it up with these foam roses, and I ended up using 2 packs. Next step, I'm going to put apart this unicorn sign, and I'm just going to flip it over, and I'm gonna be using the back side. That's where I'm gonna add the heart.
You, I wanna be with you. Hope that we can work it out, but I know that you have your doubts. I wanna be with you. Don't you wanna be with me? Think about you night and day, and I just want you here with me. I wanna be with you. You know it is the truth.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be painting 3 of these heart-shaped signs, and I'm going to be using black, white, and red.
Baby, you can stay that night. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Don't let this go to waste. Work it out. Wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me.
Now I'm going to be using some hot glue so I can place them together.
Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like
To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding a bow with some burlap ribbon.
don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to know. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe and God bless you guys.
I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.